Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of fashion and luxury. It's a brand synonymous with luxury and craftsmanship, which was originally a harness workshop in Paris, dedicated to serving European noblemen. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Hermès, 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 Hermès. Hermès is renowned for its iconic pieces such as the Birkin and Kelly bags, both of which are symbols of elegance and exclusivity. The brand also offers the timeless Hermès scarves and ties, which are known for their intricate designs and superior quality. Additionally, Hermès is celebrated for its exquisite watches, jewelry, and perfumes. Each product reflects the brand's commitment to meticulous craftsmanship and unparalleled luxury. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Hermès, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.